Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a mattress that promises to revolutionize your sleep experience, the Saatva Solaire. Known for its innovative use of adjustable air chambers, this mattress aims to cater to couples with differing firmness preferences. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. When the Saatva Solaire arrived, I was struck by its luxurious appearance. It features a quilted European pillow top that exudes elegance and comfort. Setup was a breeze, thanks to the white glove delivery which meant no awkward unboxing process. Beneath its plush exterior, the Solaire employs two independent air chambers for support, allowing for customizable firmness on each side of the bed. This is complemented by a 2-inch layer of gel memory foam for pressure relief and a 1-inch layer of responsive latex foam, providing a balanced, neutral feel. One of the standout features of the Solaire is its adjustable firmness settings. Using a remote control, you can easily tailor the mattress from medium soft to firm, accommodating a wide range of sleeper preferences. This makes it ideal for couples who struggle to agree on mattress firmness. The Solaire impresses with solid edge support, which is crucial for maximizing sleep surface and minimizing the roll-off feeling. Thanks to its split air chamber design, motion isolation is excellent, ensuring that movements on one side of the bed do not disturb the other sleeper. While lacking active cooling elements, the mattress's materials aid in maintaining a comfortable sleep temperature, suitable for most sleepers. The Solaire comes with a 365-night trial period, which is longer than industry standards, allowing ample time to adjust to the mattress. It also boasts a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind regarding its durability. In conclusion, the Saatva Solaire is a standout choice for couples seeking a customizable sleep experience, without the complexity of app controls or excessive tech features. Its blend of comfort, support, and ease of use makes it a strong contender in the adjustable mattress market. That wraps up our review of the Saatva Solaire mattress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.